Hello friends, welcome in the new tutorial. In my last tutorial, we have understand this VLOOKUP command, right? Hope you have understand this VLOOKUP. And right now, what we are going to teach you index match command, which you can use widely anywhere in any situation. Why we are going to use? Because it gives us accurate result. If you understand this equation properly, then you can going to apply anywhere, wherever you want to fetch out some data, wherever you want to use data filtration methods, right? So over here I am directly going to give you the example by taking this only. So what we want that wherever John Carter is available, we want that email ID which we have available over here. That means benchboy@yahoo.com must be captured over here, right? So how we can do this thing? So over here just you have to type equal to index. Index will give you returns a value or a reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column in given ring. It will give some value. That means that it will give us the value of this thing, that which particular cell we want to fetch out over here, right? So right now again I am typing this index, and what it is showing? Array, row number and column number, right? But what array? So we have to select this C to D column. Why? Because anywhere we are going to add if any more name and email ID, it must be captured. So for that purpose I have just selected this C and D column. So you may think that why this name and email ID is fetched, because it is the sheet name. So under sheet 1 we are going to type this equation, and for the first it is capturing array as from this name and email ID sheet, and under that C to D column, full column. So I will press over here, click over here and comma. Now row number and column number. So you understand that our first name was John Carter. By selecting this full array, John Carter is on the second row, right? So the row number will be 2 and column number will be 2, because in this whole table we want to fetch out this second column data. So that's why 2 bracket over enter. So you can see that John Carter is directly fetch benchboy@yahoo.com, but the name is changing each and every row. That's why we cannot use this thing 2,2. If it is Trent Marvin, then we have to use this third row and second column, right? So if I will do Control D, again it is capturing benchboy because it is capturing 2,2. But right now what we need 3,2, right? So see, Trent Marvin email ID has been changed to Isotopian, but we don't want to do this thing multiple times. So what we are going to do? We are going to use match command. Wherever the data is different from each other, we have to use this match command. So column is our fix, right? So now we have to use match. So what is the syntax of the match? Returns the relative position of an item in array that matches a specified value in a specified order. That means it will give you the number. That means I will apply this equation over in the first only. So that's why let us erase this and now match. So I will teach you what is the use of match. Match will give you one number that in full array for specific cell where the cell is located, right? So let us consider that our lookup value is John Carter, and our lookup array will be from which we have to find out this value, that is lookup array. Array is a type of addition of column and row. That means that it is a symbol of a whole table. Because though I have captured this thing in VLOOKUP, if you have not understand, that's why I have taken VLOOKUP as a lecture to give you some basic. So lookup array will be, what will be our lookup array? Lookup array will be this C column C under this name and email ID sheet. So by pressing name and email ID sheet, our lookup array under which we have to find out this name. So our lookup array will be C column C, right? Comma. Again, what is the third one is match type. We want that exact match. Sometimes it happens that we want to play with the numbers. So that's why we can use this less than or greater than things. So bracket over 2, enter. So now the value is same. But if I will drop it down to 4, see, for Clifford White, the name email ID is Danielson, right? Darren Kemmer, the name is BM Brewer, right? So the value is fetched automatically. So I am double clicking this, wherever the data is available, it will automatically capture all the email ID. So finally it has captured all the email ID which is available over here in this part. So wherever the name is available, you can fetch out this email ID, right? But sometimes just I am taking this thing for giving you some brief. We have used this under the index command. After selecting this first array, right, array as a row number, we have used this match because our value will be fetched from row, right, not from the column. Sometimes it happens that you have to match it from column. So this must be replaced with this type of match equation. Hope you understand this index and match combination. Practice it in different example and you will get benefit of it. So we'll meet you in under the next lecture. Right now, alter edge Y for the fit to the column, alter edge OA to the fit to the row. So right now what you have understand, removing duplicates. After that we have understand VLOOKUP command, and now index match. So this index match combination. So we'll meet you in next lecture. See you soon. Bye bye.